Hi everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, we're going to switch it up and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Amazon nail items. Now the first thing here, it is a buffer like spongy block type of nail file, and you will see that I use a pink one in almost all my videos when I'm filing and buffing, and they are my favorite. But I get them from a different company, the pink ones, and they come from overseas, so it takes forever to get. So I really wanted to try to find something comparable on Amazon, and I've tried these out now a couple times, and they are definitely comparable, and they're super awesome. So you get this huge pack, and it was like $9, and sometimes they're on sale for like $5 as well. But I really like the length of these for filing and buffing. It just really helps smooth that nail down, and it's just easier to do the buffing with something that this is like this long. So that one right there, that's the pink one that I normally use. So definitely check those out. And then these are the regular files that I use for any filing. I really like these ones. I like that they're gray, so they're not going to leave any like black residue if you use a black file. And they're really thick and nice quality. And they are not flimsy at all, which I had a problem trying a lot of files from Amazon. I just noticed that they were super flimsy. These are not, and they come in a pack of 20. So, and I think they were like only like $5. So the next thing in here, you're like, what is this? A nail cleaning brush? But no, these are my favorite stiff nail brushes, and I use them when I'm clear encapsulating any of my dip powder manis. It helps reduce the cloudiness of the clear dip powder. Just something about that stiff bristle. And then the next thing here are my favorite dust brushes. Now it comes in a set of 3, which is awesome, and I think they're like $7.99. And they might even be cheaper right now with Amazon Prime Day happening. But I really like that it comes in a pack of 3, so you can use one for glitters, shimmers, and solids. And they're all different patterns and colors, so super fun, and they're very soft, and they're very easy to wash. And then the next thing here is my little handy dandy portable little UV light. Now it's super cute. It's pink. They have all different colors, and it has a little cap on the end, and when you pull that cap off, it's like a little jelly stamper. So if you ever have any like glitters that you really want to make sure they're laying flat on the nail, this is going to be your handy dandy tool to make sure that those chunky glitters are laying super flat. And it's just something really fun to have in your nail arsenal. And at first I was like, oh, I'm never going to use this thing, but I use this thing all the time. So definitely highly recommend this little UV light. And it's pink and adorable. The next thing here, this is the nail drill that I use for the e-file, and I really like this one. I will go ahead and link it below. I have literally had this for about a year, and I've only charged it about 5 times. The charge on this e-file lasts forever, and I really like how you can place the different nail bits in there with the twist, and then you know it's really in there and you don't have to like fight to pull out the nail bit. And then I like that it's a digital screen and you can increase the speed and the rotation, and everything's right there on that screen. Super nice e-file, definitely recommend, and for the price you really can't go wrong. The next thing here are my ultimate favorite ombre brushes. They're from Wet n Wild, and they are so cheap and so fun. So they're like 98 cents. Sometimes they're even cheaper, and a lot of times I just add them to my auto order, because then I think they come down to like 78 cents sometimes. So definitely these are a must have if you like doing any ombre or anything like that. These brushes are amazing, and they clean really well too with soap and water, or you can clean them using like a color switch. I just prefer cleaning them with some Dawn hot water and soap. The next thing here, it's my favorite, and it is not necessary, but yet so necessary. It is a little vacuum. Now this is one that takes batteries. I did have one that I was charging, but I noticed that it wasn't working as good as this battery operated one. So I really like this one. It takes a couple AAA batteries, and I really like it. And they have all different colors, and it just helps pick up any nail dust or any chunky glitters that you may have on your workspace, and I really like it. So again, this is the battery one. I feel like it works a little bit better. Now the next thing you will see here is I always use these little napkins. Now before I became a stay-at-home mom a few months ago, I worked in the dental field, and these are the little bibs that you your hygienist or the dental assistant always clips on you when you sit in the chair. These are super nice to protect your surface because not only is it big enough for you to put all your mani stuff on there, they're waterproof, so if you spill any liquids, this will help catch that mess. And they come in so many different colors, so definitely a must have in my opinion. And there is pink ones too. And then some fun jelly tips. Now, if you're not going to place an order with a company and you're just looking for some jelly tips, the Kiara Sky ones are the ones I recommend. I do prefer my Sundara jelly tips over all the jelly tips out there, but when I'm in a pinch and I want something fast and I'm out, I really gravitate towards the Kiara Sky ones. Now, these are a little bit more of a thicker jelly tip, so these are the ones in short square, and then I also have these ones in short stiletto, and I really like these ones. They're really size wise, there's a lot of different sizes in these, so if you're struggling with a wider thumb or a very small pinky, these might be the ones for you because there's tons of different sizes mixed in with here. The only thing is that it's a little bit more of a thicker jelly tip, so that's just something that once you start using a different jelly tip and then you notice it's thicker, you're kind of going to notice it more often. And then the next thing here is my Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. I've went through 2 of these already, and a little bit goes a long way, and this big bottle will last a long time. It is my favorite cuticle remover. I've tried other ones, but I keep going back to the Blue Cross. There's just some kind of magic in here that I just can't get away from, and how well it works. It's definitely magical. And you don't need to get that big bottle, they have little ones. So I really like using the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover with the glass cuticle pusher. It does wonders. It's amazing. I really like using the glass cuticle pusher. I use both ends when I am prepping my nails for a new mani. Hands down, get yourself a glass cuticle pusher. It will change your whole prep on your manis. Now, my ride or die gel base and gel top coat are the Model 1s. Now, you can get these either individually or you can get them in a in a 2-pack. So you get one gel base, one gel top coat. I really like these. There's very low scent to them. They're very affordable. You can get them, this is what the little pack looks like, for like $5 or less. I know right now I think they're like $5.99. Sometimes they do a flash sale, so super awesome. I always get 2 of these a month in my auto order because I really like using the Model 1s for my jelly tips. All right, the next thing is my UNT, and I love it so much. The price point keeps going up. It started like at $9, now it's at $14. I know right now they have 5% off on this. It's like a one-time coupon, but I really like this UNT Peel Base. I keep going back to it and I keep ordering it. Peel Base is hit or miss for a lot of people, but I really am loving this formula. And for some reason, I just cannot break up with this. It's either I'm using this one or the Sundara Peel Base, but the UNT is definitely my favorite. So if you're looking for some dip liquids and you're looking for some good quality ones, I definitely recommend Double Dip if you're ordering any liquids from Amazon. The Double Dip brand liquids are really awesome. It comes in a little kit, so you can get, the only thing that's missing in here is the brush cleaner. But it does normally come with a brush cleaner and like an extra brush or whatever. But I do recommend that if you are using these dip liquids, that you are making sure that when you are going in with your second layer of dip powder, you are brushing off the brush on a napkin before you're sticking it up back into that bottle, because these do contaminate very easily. So that's just a side note, but otherwise they're great liquids. And then back to UNT. Another cuticle oil that I really like is this lavender one from UNT. This is one I just had in my auto order, so this is a replacement. There's tons of different scents. I keep this by my nightstand because I really like that it has a screw top and then it has like a little nail brush in there. So it's, instead of a dropper, it's just really easy to apply, especially right by my nightstand. It's just something quick and easy. I don't have to worry about being too messy. So I really like the UNT cuticle oil, not too greasy. The formula is just right, and it's lavender, so it helps me kind of relax in that nightly relaxation mode. And then the next thing in here is these Model 1 color cubes. This one here, it's called Crazy Jelly Bean. Now this is more of a vibrant color. You can do so much stuff with these Model 1 cubes. You can do nail art, You can use them as like a gel polish. They're creams. They're super awesome. And the colors, there's so many color varieties. I know right now these are on sale on Amazon. And then this one right here, this is what the packaging looks like. I feel like is the perfect color scheme heading into the holiday season. I think these colors right here are perfect for, this is a little brush that comes in the box as well, are perfect for the Christmas, New Year's Eve, and Valentine's Day season. So you'll see these colors here in action. So that little brush, that's what you use to apply the creams. I will be doing a tutorial soon on these as well, but check out those colors. Aren't they awesome? And then I'm going to peel off the little protector here. And if there's any like little water droplets or anything like that or moisture underneath this little peely thing, completely normal. But check out these colors. Aren't they screaming like Christmas? I don't know. I'm really getting Christmas holiday vibes with this one, and I can't wait to use it. So stay tuned for that. So definitely check out these little color cubes. They're super affordable and super fun. All right, so these are my favorite Amazon products. If you have any Amazon nail must-have products, definitely let me know in the description box below. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!